I have the second one, the one in the back seat. But anyway, that's the bigger one. So, don't you want the smaller one?
Because I don't know, I might be going to get
the one in the back seat.
Give it a good push. Let him cruise. Oh, he's like, I gotta get in the front row. Ready for that.
This is his favorite part of the lake because there's a special area. Now which one's in the back seat? Huh? Here, Remy, you want a passenger? But they look pretty comfortable, Emmy. Are you sure you don't want to disturb them? Because they look pretty comfortable, Emmy. I'm pretty sure. Which one? Which one? Emmy, I think you scared one. Emmy, which one do you want? The one that was in the back seat. Where'd he go? He's swimming? Where's the second one? Emmy, he's swimming. Emmy, he's swimming for you. Emmy, look. Keep him right there. Emmy, there he is, swimming to the boat. Look,
Oh, he climbed on.
He got on the boat. He got on the boat.
Cute, I thought.
Isn't that funny? He's like, I want to go to the boat. Vroom. Emmy, be careful, frog way. Emmy, no, Emmy, that guy just got on the boat. Emmy, watch him go on the boat. You went on the boat? Emmy, go away. I want to get him to go on the boat. No.
Oh, get away.
Emmy, get the pig on.
Ayla, take turns.
Here. He likes me. Hey, Emmy, when do you want the boat to drive him? Drive him? Yeah, like push the boat, Emmy.